Good afternoon, YouTube. It's afternoon here in Twilight, Florida. And today I'm just going to do a quick video on removing the rear bumper cover. And I actually know how to use this. I want to tell people about this because I damaged the bottom of the cover. Not the cover itself, but the bottom. I ran into some rocks. I backed up. And anyway, so I want to give a quick video on that, and I want to thank the auto repair guys on YouTube for kind of getting me started. But since I've taken numerous number of bumper covers off, and the Chevy or the GMC I had, I also took the Chevy Cruisers off. But anyway, the GMC, I was kind of familiar with how to take them off. But I want to make a couple of comments, and then I'm going to show you if you guys ever have to take it. It's really the lower valance. Let me turn the camera around. So I damaged this bottom part here, and that is separate from the cover. But in order to take that bottom piece off, where the exhaust is, whether you have dual or single, I have dual because I have a 6-cylinder, you got to take them. So what I did was I took the tires off. I think that's essential, because I want to show you something. Here, you have to take all the clips off here, and then there's a nut under here, which I've already taken off, which is here, 7mm that has to come off. So I want to mention that I would actually start and take the wheels off, jack the car up. It makes it a lot easier. Life is easier with those off, out of the way. And I already knew that because, again, previous cars that I had worked on, same deal. They're all the same. Little differences here and there. And I'm going to do a little undercoating while I'm here. This car came from Washington, Virginia area. Might have seen some other videos on it. But it's essential to take the lights out, the rear lights out, and the tabs, because what happens is this part of the bumper cover, where are you? Here, it actually slides into here, and which is this piece right here. See that little thing that goes right in that nut right there, that section. And you got to really be careful. You want to be careful when you take that. You don't want to rip anything. These bumper covers rip real easy. But anyhow, take the lights out. The guy in the video only takes one, but you really need to take both of them out. And then, of course, take all the clips off. And, I would work on that bottom piece first by the wheels, and then work your way back. I also took the spare out and the cover of the spare, because I'm going to do, again, more undercoating. This car is kind of rusty, and I'm going to clean it up nice. It's my daily driver to make money. Anyway, that's what it is. And the reason I want to show you this, I'm going to take this off. There's a foam piece. See that foam piece? You can't do this without doing that. Got to take the cover off, take the foam piece out, and then I took a few of them out already. And clips is what holds that bottom piece on. I'm going to show you. I just take a pair of needle nose, and I already took a couple out, and just basically squeeze here, and then they pull right out. And once you get them all out, there's a bunch of them. There's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, probably 20, 25 of them across there. I took a few out. Come off really easy, but they hold that valance. We'll call it a valance in. And I went on eBay and I bought a new valance here, and we're going to put it on. But man, I put the kibosh. I wasn't happy about it, as you can imagine. Nobody wants to do extra work, but it's extra work, man. I mean, that's what it is. Cover is fine, but that thing got shalammed. You can see there's a hole right through it right here. Even on the other side, there's a little hole. So I hit like this rock. And so anyway, not too bad, actually. Once you take it off, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm telling you, they all come off about the same way. GMC, it's screws and clips, and this is all clips basically, except for a couple of screws. And then you're home free, and then just reverse, put it back on again, put the 4 mains in, and then just put everything back where it belongs and put the clips back, and you got to use that clip tool. That's essential. And you need something sharp to knock those clip middles through too. So other than that, I just want to show that to you. But again, if you have that foam piece here, middle, I mean, I didn't see one of the other guys. That foam piece is in the way of taking that bottom valance off. So hope that helps somebody. You guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.